How to edit NotebookLM slides in PowerPoint. Easy tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back. Now, if you're aware, you know that AI tools can now generate full presentation in the matter of seconds. Sounds perfect, right? Not exactly. Because while tools like NotebookLM can create structured, content-rich slides, the design and formatting often feel quite rough. Now, the fonts won't match, layouts will feel generic, and everything looks like it was made in a rush. So what most people do is either accept average-looking slides or waste hours redesigning everything from scratch. But there is a smarter way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take slides generated in your NotebookLM and edit them properly inside of your Microsoft PowerPoint so they look absolutely clean, professional, and actually presentation ready. So let's start with getting your slides out of NotebookLM. So what you're going to do is obviously you're going to create any type of presentation inside of NotebookLM. So we're going to click on Create New. And over here, you could go ahead and create any type of presentation, right? So to create a presentation, what we're simply going to do is we're going to write something down. So create presentation, let's say on, let's go with World War II. Okay. So once we write that down, we're going to go ahead and send it in. Now, as you can see, it's going to start researching the websites. It's going to go ahead and scour different things. It's going to go ahead and select those in for itself. So once everything is researched and everything is good to go, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and import it. Now, once you import it, as you can see, you have an untitled notebook with 10 sources. And what it's going to do is it's obviously going to compile everything and create a proper full-fledged presentation out of it. Okay. Now, you're typically going to have a lot of options to go ahead and copy this. So I'm going to go ahead and write create a, let's say, presentation out of this. Okay. You write that in. And what that does is it's going to go ahead and generate the whole presentation structure. So as you can see, a slide deck is being made. Now, over here, it will say, I have created a presentation and here are the generated slide decks, okay? Those slide decks are gonna be your presentation, so obviously you're gonna base it off of that. Now, once you get those slides, you will typically have the options to copy the content or export it fully. In most cases, you will either download a file or copy the structured content into a format that can be used in PowerPoint. And that could be a PPT file, a PPTX file, that depends on your file format. Now, here is the key thing to understand though. NotebookLM focuses on content structure, okay? Not the actual final design. It will only give you the structure, so what you're exporting is essentially a draft. It's not going to be a full-fledged presentation or a finished product. Now, that mindset will save you a lot of frustration. Now, let me tell you why. So while this generates, what we're going to do is we're going to open up Microsoft PowerPoint, and over here, you're going to create a new blank presentation, okay? No template, no nothing. I would suggest to go ahead and start off fresh with a new blank presentation. Obviously, do make sure that your Microsoft account is fully logged in and available for this, because once you do that and go ahead with this, it's going to take you straight to your proper PowerPoint. And over here, once everything is loaded in, what's going to happen from there on out is you're going to arrive straight over here. Now, over here, what you're going to do is obviously you can either structurize things yourself, okay, or make subtle changes that will allow you to make your design better later on. Okay, so I'm going to keep those things deleted. And once you come back here you can see it is generating the full slide deck. Okay, so once the structured layout is completed, let me go ahead and show you what you're going to do from there. Now, once you've gotten your slide text and elements, you're going to, instead of pasting everything randomly, use structured layouts, okay? Now, PowerPoint itself has built-in slide types, okay? So you have title slides, you have content slides, comparison slides, and so on. So match your NotebookLM content to these layouts. So for example, headings go into title fields, bullet points go into content boxes, okay? So what you can do is, first of all, let's create a title slide. Over here, we're gonna write, whatever our title slide is gonna be. And you can obviously give it a little flair as well, give it a little design if you want to. So let's say I'm going to go with this specific design over here. It's going to load things in and create that specific design for us. So let's say over here, I'm going to search World War II. Okay. Now, once we've gone with that, you can go ahead and add a little coherent subtitle if you want to. So once you get the subtitle, what's going to happen from there on out is you're going to move on, insert, go over here, and now we're going to go over to the title slides. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to title and content. This is going to create the newer slide. And obviously, to match the current theme, you can go ahead and use the same slide, or what you can do is change it later on. Now, over here, as you can see, here we have our, basic title. So I'm going to first of all go over here, causes a world war. Okay, so you're simply going to paste that text over here. Now, when it comes to the general functioning of it, you do need to change all of that. Okay, so I'm going to select the text. Once you select the text, you can, change its font, make it bold. I'm obviously going to make it slightly bigger. There we go, because it's a heading. Then once that is done, you can start going ahead and adding your other detailed clauses. Okay, so let's say I'm going to keep it this much, copy. And this is where we're going to add our first point. Okay. And again, you can either merge the formatting or keep the text formatting. Then so on, we're going to move on to the next point. You're going to add the next point. Okay. So here's the direction. And we're going to copy that. We're going to bring it here and we're going to paste it. Again, paste text only, just like this. You're going to start forming your things. Now, this is where your slides are going to start looking professional. Okay, you're going to add information through NotebookLM. Now, Notebook isn't going to prioritize your typography, but PowerPoint will give you full control. To choose one clean font for headings, another for body text, and keep it consistent across all slides. Avoid mixing too many styles in between. It makes your presentation look pretty chaotic. Also, adjust font sizes so that there's a clear hierarchy. Titles should stand out. Body text should be readable from a distance. This single step can completely transform your whole presentation. Then moving on, focus on your spacing. Okay, always make sure that everything is spaced apart perfectly. Make sure the elements are aligned, your margins are adjusted, and create breathing space between all the sections. Use all the alignment tools to center or evenly distribute your content, and think of slides like an absolute grid. Everything should feel pretty balanced and pretty intentional. So when spacing is clean, your slides automatically feel more premium. You can add visual elements, different visual views like icons, images, animations, and so much more. And once all of that is done and you're satisfied with everything, obviously when you added all of the contents and details through Notebook, what you're simply going to do is you're going to go over to File, you're going to go to Export, download it as a PDF, or even share it as your very own PPT, and that is done. So once everything is done, you can export your presentation, choose the format fits your needs, and just like that, you have turned AI generated content into professional presentations. So at the end of the day, tools like NotebookLM are incredible for generating ideas and structure, but the real magic happens when you refine that content inside of Microsoft PowerPoint. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.